Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the speaker face up on a soft, clean mat. This prevents scratches and keeps small parts visible. Begin removing outer grill clips with a plastic pry tool. Once the grill lifts, unscrew the visible Phillips screws and set them in order. You should then detach any ribbon cables carefully with tweezers to avoid tearing. This first phase exposes the old foam. Once visible, make sure to note the foam's orientation and attachment points. That orientation matters when you install the new foam. Once the driver is accessible, you peel the degraded foam slowly from the surround. Rapid pulling can tear the speaker cone. If adhesive resists, dab 90% isopropyl at the bond and wait a few seconds to soften glue, then ease the foam away. After removal, clean residual adhesive with a microfiber cloth and a small amount of adhesive remover, taking care not to touch the voice coil or cone. Before proceeding, test fit the replacement foam to confirm orientation and trim any You apply a thin, even bead of speaker-grade adhesive to both the driver edge and the foam flange. Once tacky, align the foam precisely and press around the perimeter, holding steady until the bond begins to set. After the glue cures per product instructions, reattach any ribbons, replace the grill, and reinstall screws in their original order. Once reassembled, test at low volume. If you hear distortion or buzzing, make sure the foam isn't misaligned and that no adhesive or debris contacted the cone. Reopen and correct.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.